Alright, we have our wonderful IC Decision Maker kit right here. Here's the instructions we used. You get a parts list. You get the parts layout so that when you're building this, it shows you how to put it together. Capacitors can be put in any direction, whereas LEDs have to be put in. The black part is the cathode, the negative, and the other side is positive, the anode. You have that. The IC chip, you have to make sure that you have that at the right location. As it is in here, it's on this side towards the red lead. You're also given assembly instructions, how to put it together, the theory of operation, troubleshooting hints, a nice schematic on how it works, and actually a foil pattern of the PC board. So here we have that. Let's give it a test. Let's plug it in. And if both lights light up, it's a maybe. And we have it in here. Let's put this together. I didn't even ask it a question. Let's see here. Should I have pizza for dinner? Yeah. I like that one. See here, I think I have to maybe hold it for a second to reset it. Okay, there we go. What else? Should I go fishing this weekend? Take a little break. No fishing this weekend. Oh, because it's too hot outside. Aha, I like this. Should I go swimming? Maybe. Okay, alright. You can have fun with this. It's a cool project in here. I enjoyed it. And I really did. This has been a lot of fun. Well, here it is. Here's our IC Decision Maker kit. Fun little kit to make.